Yo, man, this was literally the toughest release. Stock numbers were nothing. Nothing, man. So this was easily, hands down, probably the hardest sneaker to get. And I had resources from so many different places. You know, some saying stock didn't seem to be that limited. Shout out to the homies at Soul Savvy telling me like, yo, no, this is gonna be stupid limited. It's gonna be very hard to cop. And I mean, clearly that is exactly what happened today. And just to show you guys, man, I've been up literally since 5 a.m. trying to learn how to set all this up. So no cap, bro. I have a bot running, right? Literally, I had a bot because I'm like, I am not missing out on these. I haven't used the bot since like 2014. But for these and the way things have been going down, got this bot. I will talk to you guys about this bot more soon. I don't want to I'm not going to try to, I don't even know how to put it. Like, it's important to try things out before you show your audience. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not just going to tell you guys, oh yeah, guys, this is the bot to use and blah, blah, blah. No. Your boy got to try it first, make sure it works, make sure I have some success. Today just wasn't the day. Kobe's are super limited. And I got the homie back here. If you know, you know. Shout out to you, D, if you're watching this. Again, another really great group. So I've joined a lot of these cook groups trying to run bots. And, I just think a lot of you guys want to know that, including myself, because I'm tired of paying resale, which last night I bought a pair of Kobe's in my size, the size 12, for like $350 or $390, something like that off a GOAT, which I was kind of like, am I going to regret this or am I going to be happy? And now I'm kind of happy, hoping that it doesn't get canceled. Like, I needed these, and you guys know I had the size 13, which I ended up selling because it wasn't my size. So I did go with the size 12. I kind of wish I would have went with the 12 and a half, but I'm sure the 12 would be smooth. Like, a lot of people were saying like half a size up, but I mean, I'm going to be hooping in them. So true to size was good, but I think more casual wear, maybe half a size. But man, this really sucked, bro. And I don't even know what to expect as far as resale. I think maybe next week when people's pairs get in, we'll see. But I'm even in the Soul Savvy group, like assuming like 450 to 500 is gonna be, unfortunately, where these sit at. So this was a very tough release. Things sold out immediately on every single site. And I don't know, guys. Sucks. I know there's a lot of Kobe fans out there, and Vanessa Bryant did say like, I know it's hard for Kobe fans, and once the pandemic is over, we're gonna work on something. So we'll see. But man, sucky release, guys, and I feel your pain, bro. And I know a lot of you guys pay resale too, because this was like the one shoe you wanted this year. So you can't get them all, man. But just know we're all doing everything we possibly can to get these. So, damn, man. I know a lot of y'all hurt, bro. I'm hurt. I'm not that hurt because I know I got a pair coming, but it's just like, damn. I was hoping to get like at least one for retail. But I'm gonna get mine regardless. It don't matter. If I gotta sell some shoes to get those, that's what I'm gonna do. So there you guys have it, man. Damn. Hell. You win some, you lose some. But you live to cop another day.